Right, so here's a probability distribution here. X is 1, 3 or 5, and then there's some probabilities. And so what makes this a probability distribution is that the sigma, the sum of all of the probabilities, has to equal to 1. Okay, so one of those outcomes, X is 1, 3 or 5, is definitely going to happen. So the sum of probabilities must equal to 1. So you can see that we've got a simple calculation to do. So we've got A, again just go straight to the calculator, but A plus 5/10 equals 1. A equals therefore 1/2. Okay, and then B, the mode. So the mode is the most popular value. So the mode of X is the value of the highest probability, and that would clearly be 3. You can transfer over here the 5/10 if you like. This is 1/10 and 2/5 is just 4/10. That might help you visualize it. And then the mean mu. Okay, so the mean mu basically, you can use this formula, sum of all the x's times by the probability. And so that would be, I mean, it'd be quite easy to work out just by hand, but we could use the calculator as well. Let's do it both ways. So this way here is, it'll be 1 times by the 4/10 plus the 3 times the 5/10 plus the 5 times the 1/10. When you put that together, that's 4, 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is 20, that's 24/10, which is 2.4. But now let's check it out in the calculator as well. And here, I'll just put another spreadsheet, insert a spreadsheet on the same problem set. And here, I won't call it X and P because I've already got X and P here. I'll just call it Y and F. This will be 1, 3, 5. This will be 2/5. Notice you can write it as a fraction here. This is 5/10. You could write it as a decimal if you want. This is 1/10. And then we go menu, statistics, stat calc. One variable stats, one list. The X variable here is Y. The frequency list is F. Okay. And there we have X bar is 2.4, which corresponds to our previous answer that we've already got. I mean, looking further down here, this little guy here is the standard deviation.